Adding collapsible text to your WIX website is a great way to organize content and save space, especially for FAQs, long descriptions, or terms and conditions. Here's how to add it. Add a strip or box, log into WIX, go to your WIX dashboard and open the editor for your site. Add the strip or box. Click Add Strip or Box to create a section where the collapsible text will go. Insert collapsible text using the accordion feature. Go to Add a List Accordion. In the editor, go to the Add panel, select List, and then choose Accordion. This is a pre-designed collapsible text widget. Customize the accordion. Click on the accordion to open settings. You can change the text for each collapsible section. Add the title of each section, and under each title, enter the content that will be hidden or revealed. Design the accordion. Customize the appearance using the design button to match your site style. Save and preview. Preview your site. Click preview to test the collapsible text functionality and ensure it works smoothly. Publish. After checking, click publish to make it live.